If you're here, please kind of say hi so that I know that you're here. And also, while you're at it, please put a like. Help me with the views. Hello, my friends. Hello. Let's just wait a little bit until more people join. Can you see me? Normally, it's not lagging, not glitching. Everything's okay. Hello, 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 hello. Good morning, my friends. Welcome. Bitcoin has breached $26,000, which is a little bit of a big deal, kind of. Nothing major. I'm not excited or anything because, I've been in crypto for a long time. For me, it takes a lot for me to get excited. But, we'll talk about why it's an important event. Hello, my friend. Project Silly. How are you? Noel Joyce. Hello, my friend. How are you? How's everyone doing, my friends? Hello, hello, hello. Hi, Rob from frosty Edinburgh. Yeah, I can imagine that it's quite cold there right now. Hope you're having a great time there, my friend. Okay, so anyway, hey mate, how are you doing? I'm well, thank you, my friend. How are you? How's life? So anyway, let's begin. Yesterday Bitcoin breached $26,000, which is a big deal, a little bit of a big deal, like I said, because the last stop was at $25,300 or $400. Let's just say $25,400. That was the last stop that needed to be breached in order for Bitcoin to make a new higher high. And it's a big deal because it finally breached a crucial level, which was once support, and then once it broke down, it fell really hard and became resistance. Failed to breach that resistance once, and now it finally breached that resistance. But as I keep saying, all these things about resistance and all that is not as important. And although a higher high is great, I love that. It's wonderful. It's an indicator, one of the main indicators of a reversal. But the main indicator that we need is a higher low. It looks like it might have printed that higher low that we're waiting for, higher than the bottom, which was at $15,400. So yeah, it looks like it finally printed a higher low, and it looks like it made a higher high. So we'll be observing and watching. For me, as always, no hurry. Like I said, we've been waiting for these crashes for a very long time. We're dollar cost averaged enough. We're diversified enough. We have a lot of coins, and if the market gives us an opportunity to buy more, we'll buy more. And if it doesn't, we'll just wait. We'll wait for the market to pump hard enough. We don't FOMO. We don't start buying greedy candles. We don't panic if it starts dipping. We just follow the plan. When it's time to buy, we buy. And when it's time to sell, we sell. I keep reiterating that if you look historically at charts, and if you're a macro investor like me, 10% of the time you're buying, 10% of the time you're selling, and 80% of the time you're waiting for the market to crash hard to get in with great entries, and then pump hard to get out with great exits. So mainly the crypto investing game is waiting, waiting, and waiting. Man, this fly. Hi, Rob from Boone, Australia. Hello, my friend. Hope you're having a wonderful time in Australia. So yeah, me as always, my friends. I woke up and I'm gonna go get myself some Starbucks. I love Starbucks, so I'm gonna go get myself a caramel frappuccino and something to eat. Big day yesterday. Exciting. That Bitcoin finally breached the last stop and made a higher high. It seems to have made a high low too. This is the first time in roughly 480 days that Bitcoin has managed to do that. Before that, it was all a downtrend. It was basically Bitcoin making lower lows and lower highs, and therefore we're in a bear market. And now, for the first time on a macro, it made a higher high and a higher low for the first time in nearly 500 days, basically. So it's not a small thing. It is quite important. Jesus Christ, these flies are just everywhere. It's so annoying. So annoying. Yeah. Very, very awesome. We're just going to basically wait and observe now, see what happens. And hopefully we keep making higher highs and higher lows. Most importantly, hopefully we keep making higher lows. Once again, main things, my friends, we don't FOMO, we don't buy green candles, we don't start deviating from the plan, we stick to the plan. We have a lot of different coins we diversified into. We have great entries. Our portfolios are in profit. If you're on my Patreon, your portfolio is in profit, because if you're doing what I'm doing, your portfolio is in profit, and my portfolio is in pretty decent profit right now. And it's nothing though, it's just the beginning. We don't know if this is it, but like I mentioned yesterday during the live, historically it would make sense because time-wise and percentage-wise, historically we're usually already bottomed at those levels that we did bottom at maybe. But we don't chase tops and bottoms. We stick to our plan. We don't stick to narratives. And we're here to make money, basically, my friends. We're here to make money. We stay patient. And we observe and we hold. So like I said yesterday, I'm holding. If the market dips hard, makes new lows, I'm going to buy more. If not, I'm holding and waiting for it to pump hard enough to start selling and start setting trailing stop losses. Starbucks should sponsor you. Oh, my friend, that's funny. Hello, Master on Blade. Good morning. American Phoenix. Hello, my friend. How are you? How are you, my friend? Thank you for joining, everyone. Thank you for taking your time to join. I love doing these lives with you and talking to you, my friends. I'm at the Dubai Mall again, right there. You can see the Burj Khalifa. I'm going to go to Starbucks. Start off the day right now. So yeah, my friends, finally, if you're on my Patreon, you know exactly that what we're looking for finally happened. We now, for the first time, do have technical evidence and technical proof of a reversal on a macro level. So, if you stuck to the plan and you've been accumulating in the accumulation phase with me and you haven't been scared and selling and believing all these narratives and fear and all that BS, congratulations, my friends, because we've gotten to the point where we have a technical reversal, and it's a big deal. Now we have to make sure that the higher lows are formed and that they remain intact, because as I mentioned earlier, historically whenever higher low is broken and it doesn't hold, that's when we crash hard. So let's pray for those higher lows. We keep observing, and perhaps soon enough it will be time to make some money. But we're here for huge profits, not for tiny profits. So we're going to have to be patient. I'm a believer in 4-year cycles. We're only roughly about 490 days in, something like that. I don't remember the exact amount of days. So it's going to take a while, my friends. And, we're like 1/3 of the way in. We've got 2 more thirds to go. Hello, PS Crypto. How are you, my friend? Thanks for joining. So yeah, my friends, basically, congratulations, You've made it this far. And big event happened finally. Something we've been waiting for a long time, because we haven't been making higher lows and higher highs for a while. So it's awesome. Let's hope the market keeps it up. If not, like I said, main thing, my friends, don't FOMO, don't start buying randomly green candles, don't start believing in the narrative of buy the dip. Stick to the plan, stick to the rules, and we'll all be rewarded when it's time. All right, my friends, I'm gonna bounce and go to Starbucks. Gonna go have my Frappuccino and my coffee. It's been great talking to you as always. Thank you for tuning in. Appreciate your time. Sending everyone lots of love and a hug. And I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.